guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to day 20 of Speaking English series. And I am actually, continuing that thing. Actually, I had to go somewhere, and because of that reason, I was not able to shoot. So, yeah, if I'll, get time, definitely I'll shoot while, traveling. But yeah, what to discuss today? Today, we will be discussing about something that is very important. That is, we can say, I think mother. We will be talking about our mother and what role does she play. So I know many of you will, ask me that why not father? Why not anyone else? Definitely, they have, role. They have another role, but mother. Mother is the word which we can all relate. Father is also a word which we can relate. But today I will be taking mother only. So mother. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about mother. Let me know that how often you spend time with your mother, and how many times you try to help your mother. A lot of things you have to do for your mother, because mother is the only person who can understand you very well. And I'll be talking about mother. Okay. So if noises are coming, please ignore that, because I cannot do anything with that, because I'm shooting in my roof at my roof, and obviously I will not go. I will not go down the stairs because I have no space like that. So yeah, mother. Mother is the world. We know mother when we were not born. Like we were like 1 month or less than 1 month or one day. We know from there, from her womb, we know her, that. And mother is the only person that who accepted you in her womb only. And the word mother is, I think, is for goddess. If God is not present, if God will be not present here, because of that reason, he or she made mother. Yeah, we all know about mother, that how support she gave to us, or how supportive they are, mothers. And please, if you are not disrespecting your mother, please try to understand how important is she, and how important role does she play in your life. If she is illiterate, and if you're embarrassed to show your mother to your friends, you are not the right person, I think. You should respect your mother anyhow. You should respect your mother, while she is literate or illiterate, or like anything. And you should support her, because mother, mother has got violation. She, tolerated violation from, before, and not now, before, maybe now as well. In a lot of, household, people treat mother or a lady like, servant or anything else. I don't understand why don't they, understand that how important she is. If she will be not there in our life, I think we will be not here, or if we are here because of her. So yes, please, as much as you can spend time with your mother, please go ahead and please treat your mother like a goddess. I know sometimes I also get rude with her, and obviously I should not do that. And I realize, and if you will go somewhere, mother will be always there for you, father will be always there for you. I'm not saying that you should not respect your elders. Definitely you should respect your elders, but in the priority list, there should be a mother. And also, if I would say, I have not made any kind of script, or I have not made anything in my mind that today I will talk about mother. Not at all. I'm just, whatever I'm observing around me, I'm just giving you that perspective, that how we are treating our mother. Whatever happened in our life, all because of our mother? Not at all. Please, if you are frustrated, please try and understand your frustration will not be in your mother or in any ladies, because frustration, if you will, what to say, if you will get frustrated, definitely try to remove it in your sight only, not in the home. You come and sit with your mother and talk to her what is problem, share with her, and then watch, and then realize that how good is that. You are relaxed, you will feel relaxed, you will be able to do any work, any kind of work. So yeah, please try and understand how important if in a child's life, definitely mother plays an important role. And if she is not, she will be not there, you will understand that how important she was. Please, nowadays, I am requesting to everybody, please do not rude with your mother, do not remove your frustration in your mother, at your mother, whatever. Just give her love, support, and moral support, and also share your emotions, so that the bond will be there and you can share your bond with your mother. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you understood the importance of mother, because if someone is I can say, if someone is orphan and he or she does not get the chance to meet mother, definitely she or he yearns for that. So yeah, please do not do that. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. And also please subscribe to my channel, click bell icon for notifications. Also I think video is very short, and you should definitely consider to subscribe this channel, and you will learn new things daily. And I think today was okay. So yeah, bye bye, thank you. And also from the day after tomorrow, I will upload a good amount of good videos. I don't want to break the streaks, but because of that reason, I have just shot the video and filmed the video, and I'm just giving you like this. So yeah, thank you, bye bye, love ya.